Hello students. So today in this video we are going to discuss notice writing. Notice writing is one of the important questions for class 12th, but on the other hand this is one of the easiest questions also. But still the irony is that sometimes you do not get full marks. Why? Because you do not take it seriously. You do not give ample time to practice this notice writing, and that is why sometimes you lose your marks because you miss certain very important points. So let's today discuss how to go for notice writing so that you get full marks. When we are writing this notice writing, one thing we have to remember that it should be in a box, because box is also part of the format. So box is must. Then these points you should remember for notice writing. Number one, in the first line inside the box, there should be issuing authority. Means you have to write the name of the institution. I have here taken like ABC School Delhi. Means issuing authority, name of the institution. It can be some society or it can be some school, okay, or it can be some club, whatever it is. So you are to write first of all issuing authority name. In the second line, you are to write the word notice. And remember, this notice word should be written in capital letters. Okay, so second line should be for the word notice. Third point, date. And this date should be on left hand side. Yes, okay. So here the date you are to write on left hand side. So this you have to remember. Then fourth point, heading. Many times I have seen that students write these 3 points and then they forget fourth point. So this you have to remember this way, that your points should be in this hierarchy. Fourth point should be heading. And suppose we have taken this for painting competition. So when you are writing heading, first of all you have to remember that heading should not be very lengthy heading. Secondly, heading should not have the words is, am, are. Means helping words you are not to use. Helping verb you are not to use in heading. So simplest heading which should tell everything about the notice. Okay, this should be the heading. This is for painting competition. No need to write any other thing. Painting competition. It means whosoever is interested would stop and read the notice. So heading is painting competition. So then next fifth point is your body. Then you will start your body. And here also sometimes the problem comes. Now how to start? What should be the first line? What should be the first word? So better you should learn how to start. Means here like I have written, this is to inform to all the students. This is also correct. This is to inform to all the students. This is to inform to all the members of the club. This is to inform to all the members of the society, whatever. So better you learn this, first line, so that when you start, then automatically you will start writing all the other things. Because the problem is always with the beginning line. Okay, so this is how you can learn it. This is to inform to all the students that so and so, whatever now notice is. And then when you finish the notice, you are to write writer's name with designation. Okay, means who is writing this notice. Here we have written, suppose Saurabh, and within bracket designation head boy. Okay, so when you are writing the notice, these points you should remember. First of all, it should be in the box, and then first of all issuing authority means name of the institution, then the word notice, then date, then heading, then body, and then writer's name with designation. Now we come to the body. When we are writing the body, what are the things which we should include so that we get full marks? Sometimes you write the format, correct format, but you miss many points in the body, and that's why you lose your marks. And moreover, sometimes you feel that naturally notice is, it's not only one kind notice you have to prepare. It can be of any kind notice. Then how to, remember all the things. better you should have certain value points with you. So if you are having these value points, you will be able to write each and every kind of notice. Like, first of all, when you are writing this notice, this is to inform to all the students. All the students, information. What kind of information? Okay, what information we want to give. So first of all, your question is what? And here suppose this is painting competition. So this is to inform to all the students that our school is going to, or our club is going to organize painting competition. So first of all, it should be what. You have to answer this what. Then who? Who is organizing? School is organizing, or some club is organizing, society is organizing, NGO is organizing. So who is organizing? Here we can say, suppose art club. Then when. This is again important. Sometimes you write what and who, but then you forget when. This is must. So when you are going to organize means date and time. If I want to participate, I should know which date, whether I am free on that day or not. So third point is when, date and time. The next point, important point is where. Okay, I might be very interested, but I cannot go far away. So I should know the venue also. So where means you have to give the venue. Next point, eligibility. Who can participate? Suppose I am interested, but maybe this is open only to the students of the school. So naturally I cannot participate. So that's why you are to talk about the eligibility also, means who can participate. All the students, or few students, or maybe few sections, or maybe few classes only. So whatever, you are to talk about it also. And then most important thing, last date. Okay, means when is to give the names. Sometimes we forget, and if we do not write over here what is the last date, then naturally people can be coming even today also, next week also, then next month also, and then you will say no, sorry, date is over. But then they may ask that you did not write about this date. So that's why this is also very, very important point, that last date. And if certain charges are there, this is also to be mentioned. It's not that first of all the students are coming and giving the name, and afterwards only you say, oh, charges are also there. And then students would be feeling very bad that now we are prepared and now you are asking for the charges. So you are to give the charges also. If there is no charges, then better you write this is free of cost. And if there are certain charges, then you write about the charges also. Okay, means what amount you are charging for this competition. One more important thing, that is, we are talking about painting competition, but many times it is about some kind of historical trip or tour or picnic, or you are going somewhere, school is taking the trip during summer vacation, whatever. So whenever this is about some trip and tour, then important thing is that you are to mention who will accompany the students. Because when students go home and they talk about this trip to their parents, they want to take permission from the parents. You have written everything. Okay, even you have written the charges also, where you are going, when you are going, you have written everything. But parents are now more concerned who is going to accompany from school, because they would not otherwise allow you to go to any kind of picnic or any kind of trip. So if this is about trip or tour, then you are to write who is going to accompany. The class teacher will accompany, the in charges will accompany, or whosoever. Okay, so if you remember all these points, then you will 100% get 100% marks. Okay, whatever marks are allotted to this question. Okay, so these points you remember, that first of all you will start with issuing name, the word notice, then date, heading, body, and then these are the points under body which you are to cover. I hope if you practice with this, then you will be able to get good marks, or I must say full marks. Thank you.